Hey guys, it's been about 3 years since my last update video on the Cummins swap. And today's a big day, actually. If you take a look over here, it's finally on the engine test stand. Now I know this is usually probably in the first weekend of most of these swaps, but had a lot going on. I got married, had a kid, started a new career. Somewhere before that, bought a house. So I haven't had a lot of time to work on the truck, but today's a new day. So the next couple videos I'm gonna do, we're going to kind of tear this old girl apart a little bit. Get it painted. Need to mount my radiator, intercooler, little control panel, just so we can kind of see oil pressure and whatnot. Yeah, definitely stay tuned because this is a thing again. Sorry, been slacking for so long. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is wired. This is the moment. So you can see here, I put a fuse and a jumper in there because the wire going to the starter solenoid and the open switch for the fuel cutoff was blowing 25 amp fuses. There's switch for hold on the fuel solenoid. So you got ground. Hold on here. Open and hold. So I've already primed the primer bulb over here, got it hooked up to some diesel, and I have not fired it yet. As you can see, I loosened my injector lines, but there's no fuel. So we're gonna head and crank this thing and see what happens.
2 hours later.
Alright, we got fuel, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this while I tighten them up. Alright, wish me luck. This is the moment of truth. Oh, well, that's exciting. A little smoky in here, but we'll get back to it. So until the next video, Ford Man MT out.